Zimbabwe's energy requirements are still relying on coal-powered plants. About 4 thermal power stations supply the country with above 500 megawatts against a national demand of more than 2,000 megawatts. The country has been on a drive to expand its generation capacity to boost industrial production. The major hydropower plant was severely affected by years of droughts, leaving the country depending on coal-powered plants and electricity imports. Economists say the cutting of funding to projects that could increase climate change will impact on economic growth as Zimbabwe moves to renewable energy.
Our huge competitiveness or productivity gap is directly also as a result of our deficit in energy. So definitely our growth projections for the upcoming years will be seriously weakened by this continuing deficit in electricity.
Energy deficit has haunted the country's businesses. Revolving 18-hour power cuts force industries to operate a few hours, often late in the night. The transition to renewable energy has started. Some local entrepreneurs have taken up the opportunities to invest in solar farms. Central Grid, a solar farm outside the capital Harare, generates 2 megawatts but plans to expand to 25. The founder, Victor Utedzi, is positive about the future.
Renewables is the way to go. Our government here is saying we need to deploy 2,000 megawatts of renewables, new solar, wind, hydros, small hydros by 2030. And we really think that's where the focus should be, on driving financing towards renewable projects. It's good for the climate, it's good for the global economy. We're all in it together here.
In it together, investors are hoping government will continue to put attractive incentives to grow the renewable energy sector. Zimbabwe is already offering 5-year tax breaks and duty-free importation of equipment for national projects.